Hi, this is Asim and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can create a profile backlink on pixels.com. So let's get started. First of all, head over to pixels.com and in the top right corner, click on join. Now you can select any option. Let's click this. Now click on sign up with Google. Select your Gmail ID. Click continue. Let's select any of these options. Click continue. Click on no thanks. Now hover your mouse over your profile icon and click your profile. Now click on edit profile. Now here you have to fill all the details. You can change your name and write your website name. I'll keep it as it is. And here you can write a short bio and here you can add your address. Let's add it. Let's copy the description. Paste here. Now let's copy the website address. Paste here. And now click on save profile. Now click on view profile again. I think I've added HTTP 2 times, so let's edit the profile and delete it. Now click save. Your profile backlink is now ready. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more videos like these. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.